How to fix sound issue on Snapchat. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me go through quick and easy and how you can fix sound issue on Snapchat. Well, first things first, you want to make sure that your audio is not muted. That is, you want to make sure that your phone is not on silent mode and that your media volume is turned on and it is not too low. However, if audio volume is not, or the media volume is not the issue, then it might be certain glitch or the app. Now, there are certain fixes to it. First things first, you can head over to your Play Store or App Store and check if the app is updated to the latest version. If the update is available, you want to update it. You can also restart your phone or reinstall the Snapchat as well. If you had previously connected any Bluetooth devices, right, then you can try and disable Bluetooth and try it again. Now, sometimes it doesn't help, so you'll have to force the restart for your device or the reinstallation for Snapchat, which most of the time clears the issue. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.